What's up, guys? Sorry, but what's up, guys? I'm back for another video. It's very dark. What's up? And today we're going to be crashing in my mum's bed. Whoop whoop! Ow! And this, remember Lukey from last video? He's playing Pokemon Go. And it is that game that we've got. And okay, this is a video, a YouTuber video. Should we crash in the bed now?
Yeah. Wait, I found
This is awesome. That was the best fun ever. Did you enjoy the fun house? Whatever. Let's get back into some crushing, some business and stuff like whatever. Crushing and crushing and crushing and crushing and crushing and crushing and crushing. Ah! Woo! Woo! I'm running. Woo! Diamond! I'm dynamite! I'm dynamite. Gonna keep you afraid. Summer right in the head. Come jump on the butt of the day. Yeah! Stay back!
I'm just doing this.
Rock.
I don't even know what press.
Tornado is coming. Tornado's coming. Tornado's coming. Tornado's coming. This is gonna end up so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh wow, that sounds that one. Look, 2 hours of activities including trampoline, bouncy castle, go-karts.
This is actually quite fun.
I'm so bad at basketball. Mommy, it says keep on.
I am so dizzy right now. Okay, goodbye everyone. I can't believe we got caught in a tornado. Bye.